Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. Great article from Mike over at Light Reading. I'll leave a link to it in the description so you guys can check it out. So I know we discussed this article earlier in the video, but I got some more information that I wanted to share with you guys in this video, and it also has to do with fiber. So what I've heard about an hour or so after I made the initial video, T-Mobile is going to hit the ground running immediately with Lumos. I know the deal already closed, but there is an integration period. I'm hearing that integration period is going to be done June 5th, meaning starting June 5th, everything is going to be T-Fiber. It's already happening now, right? They're already moving everything into one, right? The back-end systems and everything else. And starting June 5th, T-Mobile will start advertising in Lumos territory under T-Fiber. That means convergence deals, bundling fiber and wireless will be announced at that time. Tiered pricing on T-Fiber will be announced at that time, and pricing and everything else, right? I can't reveal much more than that. I already know some pricing and some percentages. I can't reveal those just yet in this video, but it's going to be very aggressive. T-Mobile is going to hit the ground running starting June 5th. It'll be very aggressive from what I hear, and it's going to really start, competition is going to start picking up again in the home broadband space. In Lumos markets, T-Mobile is going to be able to get some more wireless customers, right? Because not every person, even if they have Lumos already, if they're already an existing Lumos customer, not all of them will have T-Mobile as a wireless choice. So T-Mobile now effectively can go into those households that already have Lumos, right, and tell them, hey, you are now under T-Fiber. We're going to drop your rate, and we're going to give you an even cheaper rate if you bundle your wireless services with us. If you keep fiber, you bundle wireless, you know, the converged offering, you get an even cheaper bundle with us. So T-Mobile is going to hit the ground running with that big time. They're going to be on top of it. They're going to go big, and they're not going to be quiet. We all know how T-Mobile operates. They know how to do that very well. They know how to sell their services very, very well, and the brand is very, very strong. So June 5th, look forward to that date. They have about 2 months roughly, right? Close to a little over, it's a little under 2 months now, but they're gonna get the back end systems all integrated, the branding all integrated, the employees all integrated within a 2-month period. And then they're going to hit the ground running. They're going to be very, very aggressive. Cable, other fiber providers in that area, you know, be on your toes. T-Mobile's coming, and they're going to go big. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one. Peace.